Wala man lang ako subscriber. It's okay. Important that I make always update of my channel. That's what I have. Kaya thank you, thank you. Thank you so much talaga. Now it's almost mag 6:15 na yata. Okay. So thank you from the some vlogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning until now. Since I have one subscriber until now that I have supporters that is still helping and support and some viewers also, even only 1, 2, 3 and above. So I'm very glad and I'm very thankful to all of them and to all my mga amo for the support that I have in my channel also, especially to my alaga and to the sister of Sisi. I call her also Selena. So thank you very much talaga. And to all people living in this world that you are also watching, thank you so much that you understand and you have kindness. Even you are repeating towards my videos that what I have, but at least that is already so, effort that you are helping. Thank you talaga. Thank you very much. And to all my families that is still also continue support and watching and giving time. So thank you so much also. And you know, wherever you are in the different countries that what we have, that you are belong in the different countries, for the all relatives of both side of my mother and my father. So that is the weather. It's cold already. It's winter time na. So thank you so much again and thank you to all of us. Ang dami ko na kasing i-mention pa, lalo na yung ibang mga vloggers also na tumutulong, that you are helping, that you are not updated in your channel, and you know, wherever you are, and the kindness that you are still helping in my journey, that what I have while I'm still living in this earth. So thank you very much and more blessings talaga. Lahat kayo nagiging part sa journey na meron ako as a OFW and in my Simply channel, that what I have YouTube company, YouTube staff, YouTube workers, and YouTube founder. Thank you so much for giving chance to enter in this team of this company. Thank you very much talaga. Thank you and God bless us all.